Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning everyone. It's good to see you all here. Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Aderisma Andriani. I'm a student of Polytechnic ATI Makassar, majoring in Mineral Chemical Engineering. The honorable of my English teacher, Mrs. Ridiana. It is a great pleasure to be here today. The topic of today's presentation is the importance of educational development in the modern era. My presentation is very relevant for those of you who always prioritize education in your life. The presentation is very important for you because education in Indonesia serves as a point of evaluation for relevant institutions to find solutions to address the contrast educational challenge. Educational progress in Indonesia can be rapid if educators are given the freedom to manage learning and ensure equitable distribution of learning across the board. By the end of this presentation, you will find out about the problem identified in this research in the lack of organized learning program implemented in Indonesia, resulting in education in Indonesia being unable to develop. Guide you through my presentation. Let me briefly outline the structure. First, I will present the background of the study. Second, I will explain the methods and procedure I used in my research. Third, I will present the result of the experiment. Finally, I will conclude based on the research. This presentation will not take more than about 10 minutes of your time. I'll be handing out copies of the PowerPoint slide at the end of my talk. There will be time for a question and discussion after my presentation. So, please save your question until the end. In this part of my presentation, I'd like to discuss the importance of educational development in the modern era. By the end of this presentation, you will know how important education is in today's era. First of all, I'd like to talk about background of this study. Indonesia is one of the world developing countries both economically and educationally. Education is a benchmark for a nation's progress, measured by the level of intelligence of its citizens. The low quality of education in society can hinder the provision of superior human resources capable of competing in advancing the Indonesian nation. Education in Indonesia is still considered underdeveloped. The gap in the teaching staff and inadequate facility are considered to be the main factor in the failure of education policies in Indonesia. We have to clarify some points before we move on. Educational issue in Indonesia serves as evaluation material for relevant agencies to find solutions to address educational challenge in Indonesia, educational development in Indonesia. Then the next topic will be research method. The method used in this research is descriptive qualitative. Qualitative descriptive research describes a current problem. This research is not location specific as it focuses on gauging public reception regarding the importance of improving the quality of education in Indonesia. The data collection technique used in this study was a literature review. This technique was deemed highly appropriate because the data obtained covered all aspects required by the researcher. Then, the next topics will be research result. In the modern era, everything demands speed and sophistication. Demand evolve with the time, and the education in Indonesia is no exception, as it is the most necessary to improve quickly to keep up with neighboring Southeast Asian countries. Indonesian school must utilize technology in teaching and learning activity because conventional systems are considered too boring and inappropriate for today's students. Teachers are required to continually innovate to prevent students from becoming bored with their learning. However, teachers are also responsible for school administration to support teaching and learning activity. We've looked at one piece of data obtained from internship research 1 and 2 at SMK Muhammadiyah 1 Tangerang Selatan. So that teachers are underutilizing technological development due to the lack of available resources. Teachers rely solely on textbooks and devices, which students must always monitor. This is considered quite effective, but lack innovation in utilizing technology in today's modern era. So much for the methods and results. Let's turn now to the discussion of their significance. I'd like to stress the following point. First, many teachers still have limited use of technology, especially older teachers who still use outdated learning methods and are unable to effectively utilize technological media. Second, young teachers are beginning to make the most of technology due to its development in this era, but there is still a lack of facility, researcher, and infrastructure to support teachers in teaching in schools. In my opinion, the most important point are education and modernity. Why? Nah, because the use of technology can support the learning system and school administration, such as assuring effective learning and ensuring students understand the materials well. Let's turn to conclusion. I'm pleased to say that based on the discussion, it can be conclusion that some educators are still burdened by school administration, which result in educators focusing more on managing school administration than on developing character and moral students. Furthermore, the lack of facilities and infrastructure also significantly impact effort to improve education in Indonesia. That brings me to the end of presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll be happy to answer any question or help you feedback. Well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. I have covered all the main points I wanted to share with you today. Before I stop, let me go over the key issue again. Educational development in today's era are crucial for both student and teacher. The use of technology can support learning system and school administration, such as increasing learning effectiveness and ensuring students understand the material well. Which suggests First, development in education in the modern era have opened wider access through technology and innovation. Second, modern educational emphasizes 21st century skills such as critical thinking, creativity, and digital literacy. Third, without continually evolving education, we will be left behind in facing global challenges. Before finishing the talk, it is also important to signal the time for question and answer section. Do you have any question? I'd be glad to answer any question you might have. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you all for listening. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. Lastly, I want to say, live the life of your dreams. Be brave enough to live the life of your dreams according to your vision and purpose, intent of the expansion and opinion of others. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and see you next time.